Hi, my name's Kira. This is my YouTube channel. We got to spend some time on the farm this week, so let me introduce you to how I grew up. Here we are driving to the farm. Say hello, everyone.
What's up, peeps?
Better is one day in your court, so God, than 1,000 from anywhere else, anywhere else. Other nations arise, they call you holy. Nations arise, they call you lovely. Oh, and lovely is the place where your spirit dwells. There I long for. Lovely is the place where your spirit dwells, and there I long for you. Blessed are those who dwell in your holy place. Their mouths will be ever singing and praying. Their hearts will forever be filled. For there is joy, joy, joy in the house of the Lord. For there is joy, joy, joy in the house of the Lord. For there is joy, joy, joy in the house of the Lord. For there is joy, joy, joy in the house of the Lord.
Me has dado a conocer la senda de la vida. Me llenarás de alegría en tu presencia y tu dicha eterna a tu derecha. Con todo mi ser, mi cuerpo y mi alma gritaré con alegría al Dios viviente.
Don't forget to help me out on this filming journey by liking and subscribing.